Okay, I have this is all the parts I had to remove to get to the actual sensor, distance sensor on this Porsche 718 gearbox. I do this on the 718 991 Panamera is different because they sit differently on the actual gearbox. But 991, 718, 981, 997. If you have a problem with that, no reverse gears, give us a call and we'll book your car in. Alright, so before I put the new, this is the old sensor. But before we put this in, I just look at that. I can't just put the new sensor in, and I don't like this look here. It's just so dirty. I have to clean it. I don't want to leave it like that. I just don't want to. I just want all the. I don't want the new oil to go in, and then the new oil will act as a cleaner to clean everything out, and then stuff all the actual magnets up. Because the problem is the actual magnets. They get really dirty. Look at this. This is the reader. This is the magnet reads the rod of these parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And look how dirty they are. Look at that. I haven't even cleaned it. Look. This is the problem that caused the sensor to fail. All right. So I'm going to clean all that. At the same time, clean all this. Look at that. That's just me trying to scrape the gearbox housing. Look at that, all that stuff there. Look, takes longer to do the job because I don't want to put new oil into the actual gearbox when it's dirty like this. So I'm going to use brake cleaner to clean as much as I can from here. Must be cleaned. At the same time, clean the gearbox here as well. Look how dirty that is before I do any assembly. Okay, I'll leave it at that. There's two speed sensors. There's one there. There's two speed sensors on the gearbox, on the wiring harness, and then the distance sensors here. So you got your all the magnets. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have to read off these ones where the position of the actual gears are. Everything is going back to the PDK gearbox ECU. So basically hydraulic bodies underneath here, valve body underneath there, distance sensor on this side here control the actual manual side of the gearbox, and the hydraulic, the valve body control the automatic twin clutch side of the gearbox. They work together as one. That's why they're very quick to shift. Alright, so I'm going to clean that up before I put another stone like that. Look at that. I see a lot of people can basically do the job and put it back like that. I don't like it. Sorry, mate. I'm not doing that. Okay, I'll come back with the actual cleaner outcome, and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.